Recruitment Process 2021. Persistent System India includes 3 rounds for hiring freshers annually. All candidates require to pass the number of hiring rounds. Round I, Online Written Test. The first round consists of 60 multiple-choice questions with a time limit of 1 hour. The Persistent System uses its software to assess the answers to the questions. The main subjects to focus on for the first round are Aptitude, C Programming, Computer Theory and Networking, Operating Systems, DBMS, Data Structures and Algorithms. Candidates are to note that there is no negative marking for the first round. Round 2, Technical Round Interview. In this round of the persistent interview, puzzles are given to candidates to solve. Such problems are given to get an outlook of the candidate's skills. In addition to the puzzles, candidates may also have to answer some basic questions under data structure and algorithms. To make the round more challenging, candidates may also be asked to answer in the C language only. Questions commonly asked in technical interview. Here is a list of questions and short answers commonly asked in the persistent interview round. Question: different types of control structures in programming. Answer: sequence, selection and repetition. Candidates are requested to elaborate on each type. Question: how does an to operator function in a program? Answer: operator can evaluate logical conditions in C programming. Question: what are preprocessor directives? Answer: they are placed at the beginning of each C program. They are also used for the declaration of constants, and they begin with the hashtag or # symbol. Question: can you initialize a variable at the time it was declared? Answer: the answer is yes. There's no need to write a separate assignment after the variable is declared. Question: is C language a middle language? Answer: the answer is yes, because the C language behaves like a high-level language. It can interact with hardware using low-level methods. C language can directly access memory structures. Question: explain reserved words? Answer: these are words that are a part of the standard C language. Reserved words can be used only for their originally intended meaning. Question: what is first in first out? Answer: first in first out is a format used to access data stored in a C programming data structure known as a queue. Question: explain what a linked list is. Answer: in C programming, a linked list comprises nodes connected with another. They are created using pointers. The above are some of the common basic questions asked. Apart from them, candidates are given logical questions consisting of numbers or different programs to solve in more than one way. At the same time, most of the questions are basic and textbook based. Some test the candidate's technical skills in terms of programming. Question: can you use the if function to compare strings? Answer: the answer is no, because the if command is used to compare numerical values and single character values. Question: which function do you use to compare strings? Answer: to compare the value of strings, a function called strcmp is used. Question: how can you determine the length of a string value stored in a variable? Answer: use the function strlen followed by the. For example, I equals strlen. Question: what are the different file extensions available for programming C? Answer: source codes in C are saved with C file extension. Header files occupy the H file extension, while the compilation of source codes creates an object file and saves an OB extension along with an executable as E file. Question: are virtual constructors possible in C++ programming? Answer: the answer is no. Other basic questions. Basic understanding of UDP, TCP, DNS, public and public Internet protocols. Within the realm of software engineering, basic concepts like stubs and drivers, glassbox testing, and boundary value analysis are asked. Probability sets, percentages and simple interest can also be asked. Round 3, Hour Interview. The last round in the hiring freshers process is the hour interview. The round is more or less a formality for all recruitment processes. Candidates basically must have good communication skills and a good command of the language used in the interview. Interviewers take a detailed look into the candidates' resumes before hiring a fresher. Therefore, candidates are suggested to know their resumes from A to Z. The hour round is also conducted to know the candidate better. Areas like personal interests, personal background, strengths and weaknesses, location preference, expectation from the job and areas alike are asked. Key takeaways. Persistent Systems India and its recruitment process are highly technical for the most part. Therefore, interested candidates must carefully brush up their programming skills, basic data structure and algorithm, know most about operating software and the basics of engineering. Above all, it is essential to be confident while solving any of the problems in all rounds. The second round of the persistent interview in hiring freshers is the most technical. Hence, it requires more work. Thank you.